Hey, do you guys have a trampoline and are worried about it being damaged or blown over in the wind? You guys need to get yourself a set of these. These things are awesome. If you like this video, if this helped you out, please smash that like button, subscribe, and leave us a comment. Welcome back, YouTube. As you can tell, I'm beside my trampoline here. Well, my kid's trampoline. Charlie's under it playing with his ball. But we've had a lot of high winds lately, and my wife has been freaking out that it's going to blow away. It hasn't moved, but she ordered some trampoline anchors for this, and we're going to install it today, and I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. So this kit comes with 4 anchors, 4 handles, 4 straps. A tool looks most likely is to tighten the straps. I'm not real sure till we open them up because there was no instructions with it. And a bit for your drill, which hopefully will make this a lot easier to get these anchors in the ground. So it looks like this just goes on there on your impact, or it says it's 12 millimeter, so a 12 millimeter socket. So that's what came in the kit, and I have my DeWalt impact there. We have some safety glasses, and we're going to use some ear protection for this. So our next step is, or whoever is installing these, is where do you want to put them? And I think I'm going to put them just inside on each one of these posts on either end. More so they're under there and the straps are out of the way, and if kids are running around it, nobody's tripping over it. So we're going to put them here and here, and then on the other side too. So we got our eye protection on. Let's get some earplugs in. Charlie wants to throw his ball first. So let's see how this goes in. That went in really easy. Whoa. Okay, then next we're gonna screw on the handles. Okay, we got the handles screwed on, these two. Let's get a strap out. We'll just go up over the pipe, through the handle, make sure we're not twisted. And then it just has a spring buckle. Not sure how well that'll hold, but we'll see. Doesn't come loose. And then I'm just going to tie this up out of the way so you don't see it that well. Okay. I think that'll do very well. Okay guys, so that's some straps to secure down your trampoline if you have one and need these. It was fairly simple. That's a pretty awesome idea, having a bit that goes, so you can take the handle off, put a bit on it, screw them in, or take them out if you need to move it. You can put them down low enough that if you want to move it and mow under it, you can just unscrew the handles and they're down far enough that you're not going to hit it with your mower. Seems pretty strong and sturdy. We'll see here after some windstorms, see if it holds it well. But yeah, I'll put a link to this in the description. It was only like 22 bucks off Amazon. I think it's well worth it, and I thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.